Hey guys, what's up? Nate here. TikTok is going through an unstoppable trajectory of monthly active users on their platform. It's crazy, something we've really never seen before. At least that is what they are projected to be. Now, I can say very confidently knowing this, that if this is the case, and even right now, I think that TikTok is a very viable option for advertising. We're going to get into why that is and why you should be advertising on TikTok, at least setting up a retargeting platform. For goodness sakes, for people coming to your website, set up a retargeting on people that are coming to your website onto the platform. I'm going to get into why that is now. Just as TikTok is going through an explosion of monthly active users, I'm trying to go through an explosion of subscribers to my channel. So if you love marketing, if you love learning new strategies in e-commerce and just the most recent updates in the industry, make sure that you just annihilate that subscription button down below. It would mean so much to me. Thank you so much. And let's go ahead and get into it. So a recent analysis from an analytics app called App Annie predicts that in 2021, TikTok will have finally reached 1 billion monthly active users, which is pretty insane. And they're predicting that they're going to scale right past that to probably 1.2 billion. Now, I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but we were going from 1 to 1.2, whatever, but you're talking in billions. So you're talking 200 million people. And you got to think, after 1 billion users, who else really is there? Even Facebook has, between probably 1.5 to 2 billion users or something like that. And so at the same time, for something like a new app, to go up after 1 billion to another 200 million, scale really easily to 1.2 billion is a pretty big deal. And there are very few social networks that have gotten past even that $1 billion mark. They have sailed right past Snapchat. Snapchat, I think, it only has around 50 million active users per month. And so they have just soared right past that. So they're getting into that billion monthly active users club. Now, if we compare to other companies in terms of their growth over the years, I thought it best to compare to Instagram because Facebook was created so long ago. And so I thought, what's another company that's reached 1 billion and how long did it kind of take them to get there? Now, it took Instagram from 2011 when they had 1 million users to 2018 to reach 1 billion. Now, if App Annie is right on this, it will have only taken TikTok 6 years to get 1 billion active users, which to me is pretty significant. It kind of beats Instagram a little bit there. So it's right up there to par with them. So really interesting on that effect. Now, so many people coming on this platform, right? Impacts advertising, pretty much impacts everything across the board in terms of marketing and social content. Now, right now, there are around 41% of TikTok users are between the ages of 16 and 24. Around 50% are below the age of 34, around 50%. And so if you're selling a product that makes sense for that market, for goodness sakes, put it on this platform because you want to go where the market goes, right? That's really important. And so if you have something that can be advertised into that market, make sure that you're doing so because these ads can be super interactive. You have to think Facebook stories. There are brands that I run that the best performing ads are Facebook story ads. And so if you think about something like TikTok, something that's very interactive, it could be a very good market for those types of products. But at the same time, you have a whole other half of the market that is all other age groups. So I think we're going to see something similar to Instagram where everyone said in the beginning of Instagram, it's all going to be young people. It's never going to be older people. It's going to stay this demographic forever. No, that's not going to be the case, honestly. I think that as it grows more and more significantly, and as there's been a lot of bad press about TikTok, so I think that as that moves on and moves forward, and more things start coming on this platform, you're going to see a lot of diverse age groups come on this platform, even more so than there are now, which is still a good amount of people compared to other platforms. Maybe not, but I'm just saying that those age groups are there for you, and then there is, still that other side of the age group that you could target itself. So for goodness sakes, if you're targeting, it's fine. If you don't want to cold target on TikTok, go ahead, cold target on Facebook, but then at least move it around. If you want to post content on Facebook, just make a quick piece of content and, for your business and put it on TikTok. For goodness sakes, really simple and really easy to do. So go and do it. Now, something that's really important about TikTok is they've been doing a lot of e-commerce integrations. We saw this recently in the Shopify partnership with TikTok, which it's going to be posted somewhere right here if you want to go check out that video that explains this whole partnership, the integration into your Shopify store. If you're selling on Shopify, which a lot of people in e-commerce are, you have this really easy integration from TikTok to have their ads manager on your Shopify store to be able to run ads directly to TikTok. And I'm still not aware of how far that has spread yet. There were only certain places in the US that had got it at the time that I made the video. I know that they were going to move it to other areas as well. Not sure the extent of that yet, but they were offering a $300 ad credit in order to sign up for that on Shopify and have that integrated into your account. And so that's really all that's there right now. But at the same time, we have to understand that TikTok needs to make money to compete really in the social realm. So the only way to really do that, since most social companies don't make anything physical and actually to sell, they need to sell something digital. That's going to be ads. So right now, TikTok is going to have to put a pretty significant focus on advertisers and business. This is a really important time to start thinking about TikTok. Now they're going to be starting to put more focus on you. It'll be probably similar to those first like 6 years of having Facebook, cater to advertisers when they first started having advertising on their platform. It's probably going to be something similar. You're going to see a lot of integrations with TikTok. I would love to see something like where you post maybe a piece of content on your page, and then you're able to maybe sell something in the middle of a clip of a video they post. Maybe it's a good idea. I don't know. Sounds good to me. TikTok. Go ahead and contact me. Go ahead and contact me if you want to learn more about that. But we're going to see more things like this. At the end of the day, keep in mind, this is just, I think, the beginning of many integrations that we're going to see for e-commerce, because this is how they make money. It's how they're going to make money. Now, if that doesn't convince you to start advertising on their platform, hopefully this will. TikTok pretty much gives everyone ad credits to run ads on their platform. Like I said, with just the Shopify partnership, you're going to get $300 in ad credit. And on their website, if you go to Facebook or TikTok for Business, you're going to get up to $2,300 in ad credits. I don't know if you get that specific amount every time, but you're going to get something. You're going to get free money. It's TikTok saying, here, it's free money. It's essentially the same as a giveaway funnel that we do for a lot of different brands to get those new customers in. Because again, it's long-term thinking. It's lifetime value. That's the way that they're thinking in terms of maybe we don't get them on this first $300, $500, or $1,000 or $2,300, but we need to make it enticing enough to get them to do it, to love it, and then they come back for more and start paying us. It's really good long-term thinking, honestly, in my opinion. But it's free money. It's very simple. Again, set up a retargeting campaign, something on the platform. It's really easy to set up. So why not go and try it? Out of all the reasons I list there, because again, it's very simple. I don't need to go into a spiel for an hour about why you should advertise on a platform that now is going to have over 1 billion people in it next year of very diverse groups that you can sell all your stuff on. I don't really have to encourage you to do that if you don't want to do it. I mean, fine, I'll bring all my brands on there, but I would encourage you to do so to help your business, to help your clients, encourage things like TikToks. Because again, I'm always a big promoter of cross-channel selling. If you've watched any of my past videos, you know that for sure. Now, while TikTok is still kind of up in the air in terms of their legality, we still don't know what's happening there. And you've probably read all the bad press about TikTok. Still don't know what's going to happen, whether it's Biden or Trump under the next administration. We still don't know what's going to happen in terms of the legality of TikTok. I don't know what the leniency on both is. Some people say that the result is kind of the same no matter what administration is. They both feel the same. So I don't know how that's going to be. Legal or not, it's viable right now because the people are on it right now. You can go and sign up for it right now. Get your eggs out of one basket. Start cross-channel selling, especially when they are handing you the money to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked, if you found value in it, make sure that you like the video down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Until next time.